If you've forgotten your TripAdvisor password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the TripAdvisor login page. Visit the TripAdvisor website and navigate to the login page where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will take you to the password reset section. Step 3. Enter your email address. In the password reset form, enter the email address associated with your TripAdvisor account. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for an email from TripAdvisor. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email, which will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and save the changes. Once you have reset your password, you can log into your TripAdvisor account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to TripAdvisor support for further assistance.